Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about acceptable fats on a ketogenic and intermittent fasting plan. Okay, let's start with coconut oil. What's so good about coconut oil? First of all, it has something called MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, which are healthy fats that help you make energy, burn fat, and also they have a different digestive pathway, so they're really easy on the liver and the gallbladder. It also has things to boost your immune system, like something called lauric acid, so it's good for the immune system as well. Butter, as long as it's grass-fed, is very healthy for this program. And then we have olives. Did you realize that an olive has over 80% fat? It's great on a keto. It has high fiber, low carb. I would also recommend fermented Sicilian green olives. The phytonutrient levels are off the charts. Amazing. Great for bone loss, loaded with copper, iron, vitamin E, and a really healthy olive for a ketogenic plan. Then we have avocados, okay? There's so much nutrition packed in an avocado, tons of potassium, great healthy fats. Egg yolks, make sure they're organic and pasture raised. Most of the nutrition is in the yolk, loaded with vitamin A, vitamin D, and a ton of other vitamins. And then you have nuts and nut butters. Make sure there's no added sugar, and if you can get it with sea salt, that would be a little bit better. Seeds, seed butters, flax oil. Some people are concerned that it's going to increase your estrogen. It's not. It's going to balance the estrogen that you already have. Even in men, it's not going to be a problem. Chia seed is also really good. Animal fats, as long as it's grass-fed, totally healthy. Fish and fish oil. Make sure if you're doing a fish oil, it's a higher end type, higher quality. Some of the fish oils out there right now are rancid, and I like the one that's a virgin cod liver oil. It's very, very healthy and fresh. And then we have grass-fed cheese. A grass-fed raw cheese would be the best if you can find it. And definitely avoid the soy oil, the corn oil, the cottonseed oil, the canola. These are GMO. Moderate amounts of safflower oil and sunflower seed oil, okay? There you have the list of acceptable fats on a ketogenic and an intermittent fasting program. Hey, before you go, definitely sign up for my free keto course. I put a link down below. It's on Messenger and Facebook, but it will give you all the basics. It's very quick. It's like 3 or 4 videos, and it's free. Check it out.